Let's discuss the second category, that the Prophet, he learned it from other sources, or he copied or plagiarized from the other religious scriptures. There are various allegations made by non-Muslims and the critics of Islam that the Prophet, he learned the Quran from a Roman blacksmith who was just living in the outskirts of Mecca. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends a revelation in Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 103. We know that they say that you learned it from someone, but do they not know that his language is foreign and this Quran is Arabic pure? The Roman blacksmith, he could hardly speak Arabic. He was a foreigner. And you're saying that Prophet learned it from him, and this Quran is a book written in Arabic which is so pure and eloquent. It is like someone saying that a Chinese man who does not know English, he has taught Shakespeare to write the book.